Hey guys, we're back, and today we're going to do some Gorio.
And I just died.
Good for you. So,
I'm not gonna be.
I forgot that. Sorry if I lag a lot because my computer is lagging a lot. Right? No, bye. Bye. I just say 2x2, but don't hurt. We're doing 2x2 car right here. It says 2x2.
I'm not doing 2x2. I'm doing something else.
Okay, whatever. So we're going, and there's hackers in the server. So yeah, we're going to do some Gorio, and that's that. And there's free mass over here. Yay!
Yeah.
No, seriously, free mass is spawning.
Really?
I see T-by-T, right? Is he going to eat me? A T-by-T? This wow! You meanie?
21.
Meanie?
No.
No, Henry!
Oh, I just saw Henry.
What the heck? Okay, we'll skip ahead to when we're bigger. Yeah.
Guys, we're
back. We're big.
Ooh,
So yeah, we're not huge, but we're big. I'm big. I might almost be in top 10, but I don't know. So is that, yeah.
I'm gonna kill you.
Dude, you're taking my mask. It's mine.
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I
Yes.
knew where you were.
Yes.
Get it.
No,
Explode.
he's gonna eat me.
Explode.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. Someone just split. Wait. No, I'm lagging.
Oh, you're dead meat. You're dead meat, son.
I'm lagging. What? Are you fake?
No,
T-by-T.
he's giving you mass.
He's T-by-T. Dude, you're T-by-T.
No!
Don't die, Luke.
Give me a mask.
No, run.
Oh! No! Don't do this to me.
I need to
thank
run.
God.
Okay, we're going to come back when we meet up. I just saw a turtle die. Rest in peace, turtle.
I know you're like, I love turtles.
Yeah, I do like turtles, guys. It's a fact about me.
Back of the lands, he likes turtles. Oh, it's not cool. Someone's name is
Whatever. So yeah, we'll see you when we find each other. Give me a minute. Okay, we're back, guys. Luke, feed
Okay,
me.
I'm low.
Explosion! You feed me. Feed me.
Okay, I press W, right?
Yeah, W on me. What aim is that?
Kill eight ball.
Split on me.
Okay. Boom. There you
Again.
go.
Again.
No.
Again! You want me to kill him?
No.
Again! No. I killed
Boom.
Luke, come here.
Mass. Oh, give me mass.
Okay, get
I'll
me.
kill you.
Here, take it. Now feed me.
Feed me. Oh, we're teaming now. We're so good. Let's go.
Yeah, Luke, you're not doing good.
Yeah.
Give me math. What was that?
I don't know.
What is that? Okay, stop already. I caught myself. Take it.
Thanks.
Oh, Luke, just,
Let me kill you.
explosion, feed me.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Feed. Thank you for having good aim right now.
Yeah, no problem. Now give me all your mass.
No.
Stop. Just stop moving.
You stop.
Stop.
Don't kill me.
Then just.
I'm going to combine and eat you.
No.
Me versus explosion right now, really quick. Just
Feed me.
kill Lincoln. Split into me once I get close. Split.
Go.
Wow.
You're welcome.
You need to actually do it instantly. Well, at least I'm in 6, you know?
Hey, no problem from the loot man.
I found T-by-T.
Okay, any mass? Oh god.
TYT Fox.
Where are you?
I don't know.
Wish I could like spread out and see.
TYT Fox. Yeah, Fox.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
TYT. Yeah, Fox. I'm on like the total left side edge. Oh, psyched. You got psyched by the fox, man. Give me getting bigger. Give me some mass. Oh, look, thank you. Lance.
Oh my gosh. No, Vaughn. No.
Oh, is that you?
No.
You're trying to kill me.
No. Oh, you're
I'm
right there.
Mojo.
You're right there.
Give me more. Give me more. Thank you. Give me more. More.
I'm sorry.
Dude, are you serious?
That wasn't me. I'm sorry. Oh.
Cool. Sweet. We'll make a video tomorrow. You don't have to go to that travel. Oh, my stomach hurts so bad.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I need to end it here.
Oh, I said it all in the video. I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry, but we need to go, and a TYT is eating me. So, no, come on, other teammate. Okay, so we'll see you later. Bye. Bye-bye.